Good morning. Today we read mensuration, chapter 11. Okay. So in mensuration chapter, what we read? We read about different closed plane figures such as triangle, rectangle, square, then parallelogram and a circle. So in this figure we read about this all closed plane figure. With that also cuboid, cube and cylinder. Okay. Then again also in this chapter we read about the area and perimeter. So perimeter is, you know, that boundary of a closed figure. Area means the space between the covered figure, the region between the closed figure is called area. Suppose we know, first is suppose triangle, then rectangle, then it is square. Okay. Then parallelogram. Okay. Then it is circle. Okay. So it is triangle. Triangle, you can say it base. So we write perimeter, then area. Okay. So here perimeter means sum of all sides. Triangle का perimeter formula what? Sum of all sides. Simple. A, suppose A, B, C means AB plus BC plus CA. That is perimeter. So it is rectangle means rectangles what? 2 into length plus breadth. So this is length, this is breadth. You know this, just I am reminding you, revise you, that is perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. And in square 4 into side, square perimeter. Parallelogram also 2 length plus breadth होगा because opposite sides equal. Okay, this plus this plus this. Here also 2 into length plus breadth perimeter will be right. And here suppose this is circle, this is center, this is what? Radius. So 2 pi r, where pi equal to 22/7. Okay. So 2 pi r. If you come to area, if it is base, then half base into height. It is the area of the formula. It is height, it is base. So half base into height. Here area, length into breadth, length into breadth. Square, side square, a square. Okay, side into side. Here base into height. If it is base, one height will be given, then base into height is parallelogram. In circle, pi r square. Okay, this is our pi r square. So you have to remind these formulas. Okay, to solve the problems based on this chapter mensuration. You may ask the boundary or some questions related that the fencing of a garden or fencing of a field. Okay, then wires needed to frame a picture. So this all related to perimeter. So fencing means all sides. Suppose it is a field. Fencing means all sides you will do fencing. So here you have to look at the which type of figure it is and you will find the perimeter. If mopping or planting, that means it's related to area, region inside the perimeter. Okay, sometimes suppose it is a photo frame, then whites needed or wood needed to frame. So this is related to perimeter. So before solving, we have to read thoroughly the questions and try to understand and which formula will be added applied to find out the area or perimeter. So you must have to remind these formulas. Perimeter of triangle, this is rectangle, square, parallelogram, circle. So one example related to this problem. Suppose it is a garden. Okay, it is a field which garden, which field's length is 30 meter, breadth is 20 meter. So what is the area, perimeter, or the how much fencing is total length of the fencing? Suppose the question is total length of fencing. So total length of fencing means what? Boundary. So here which formula you apply? Perimeter formula. Total length fencing means boundary, na? So 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into 30 plus 20 equal to 2 into 30 plus 20, 50 meter equal to 100 meter. So total length of fencing is 100 meter. Another question, that is every side 1 meter. Okay, path is there for walking. Then inside there is garden. So path means, suppose 1 meter means every side 1 meter. This is 1 meter. Here 1 meter. Here 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 meter, like this. Suppose if it is the length of the length is 30 meter. What is the length of the garden? So here you will minus 1 meter. Here 1 meter. Both sides. Okay. So 1 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. Here is 28 meter. Okay. So 30 meter minus 1 plus 1 equal to 30 minus 2 equal to 28 meter is length. And width also same thing. If width is 20 meter and inside the garden it is 1 meter, 1 meter you will minus both sides. So 28 minus 1 plus 1. So in this part, one question there is the around inside the park there is cemented path. This is cemented 1 meter width. So what is the area of the park means total area of the park. Then if you ask that the area of the cemented path means the area of the way, then you have to find out what the area of the total park and with the area of which is not cemented. Okay, so for that you must have to know that the inside length and breadth which is not cemented. That's why I minus here. So it is 28 minus 2 equal to 26. Okay. So if you minus the area of the total park, the area which is not cemented, then you will get the area of the way. Okay. So what you do? The area of the path, that is length into breadth, that is 30 meter into 20 meters, that is 600 meter square area. Not cemented part equal to how much? 28 into 26. 8, 6, 10, 6 and 7. 700 not cemented. So here there was little wrong. That is width is here 20 meter. Okay, width is 20 meter. So 20 minus 2 means it is 18. So a not cemented area means 28 multiplied 18. That's 64. 22, 28, 4, 504 meters square. So not cemented means, which is not cemented means 600, you will minus 600 minus 504. That is 696. So area of the path is 96 meter square. So cement needed. See how another question is that if you cement required 4 meter square, one bag. One bag is needed 4 meter square. So 4 meter square equal to one bag cement. 1 meter square 1 by 4. 96 meter 24 bags will be needed. Okay. So question is again, if it will be cemented for 4 square meter, 1 bag is needed. Then you do 4 meter square needed for 1 bag cement. For 1 meter square, 1 by 4. Your area of the path is 96 meter square. For 96 meter square, you multiply, you need 24 bags. So such type of questions will come to solve and find the area or the perimeter. Sometimes it will ask the fencing, sometimes it will ask the bags of cement needed, cost of fencing. Suppose fencing, suppose it is 100 meter is your what? Perimeter. The cost of perimeter, suppose for 1 meter, your question will be for 1 meter fencing cost is 5 rupees. So total cost means 100 meters multiply 5. 500 rupees is needed for fencing this path. So such type of questions you have to first understand, then you try to solve. Exercise 11.1, first number. Two figures, a square or rectangle, whose length is 60 meter, width, their length is 80 meter. Width is not given, and saying that both figure have same perimeters. Okay, both figure have same perimeter means how will you find out? Suppose it is figure 1, it is figure 2. First square, square's perimeter. How much? You know 4 into side, that is 4 into 60, 240 meter. Okay, so here is saying that the both figures perimeter is same. That means a rectangle's perimeter also 240 meter. That means figure now in rectangle. Okay, so rectangle what? 2 into length plus breadth equal to same 240 meter, because here says that both figures perimeter is same. So length, let's solve it. Length plus breadth equal to 240 meter by 2. Here multiplied means here by 2, that is 120. So here length is given how much? 80 meter. So 80 meter plus breadth equal to 120 meter. That is breadth equal to 120 meter minus 80 meter equal to 40 meter. So it is 40 meters. Okay. So which field has a larger area? The question is which field has a larger area? That means here area find out. Equal to length into length square, side into side, 60 into 60. Okay. 3600 square meter or meter square. 60 into 60. Then which area? Rectangle area. That is 80 into 40. Okay, 80 meter, 40 meter. 3200 meter square. It is 3000 meter, 200 meter, it is 3600 meter square. So which area is larger? Square's area is larger. So second number question. Mr. Kaushik has a square plot. It is a square plot which length and width is side is 25 meter. Okay, whose side is 25 meter. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. So it is house. Okay, and his house, his given length equal to 20 meter, breadth equal to 15 meter. Okay, he will construct a house in the middle of the plot which length is 20 meter, width is 15 meter. Again, find the, and a garden is developed around the house. So this is garden. So this is house, it is a square plot, and this area is a garden completely. he developed a garden. Okay. Then find the total cost of the developing garden around the house, the rate of 55 per meter square. So for that we have to find out the area of the garden developed. So what you will do? So plot is square plot inside a rectangular house. So if you minus the total the area of the plot minus the area of the house, then you will get the area of the garden developing. So first find out the area of the plot. Area of the plot equal to 25 into 25. 625 meter square area of the square plot. Then area of the house. It is a rectangular house, that is 20 into 15. That is 15 to 30, 300 meter square. Then area of the garden. So area of the plot minus area of the house, that is 625 meter square minus 300 meter square. So you will get 5 to 325 meter square area. So cost of developing garden per meter square. So cost of developing garden equal to 55 per meter square. Mean 1 meter square 55 rupees. For so a garden is 325 meter square equal to 325 into 55. Okay, 5, 7, 6, 7, 1. Okay, add by the 25. So 1,78,000. Sorry, 17,875 rupees. The cost of fencing is this much. So I hope by using the formulas you can solve all the problems. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.